how to add or put applications to your home screen in your Windows. Hey everybody, if you want to put the apps on your home screen on Windows in your start menu or your desktop, you can follow out these methods. So method number one is we can pin the application to the start menu. We can click on start here, and within start we can find all option here and click on it, and we can find the specific application that we would like to pin. For example, Brave. Back click on it, select the option for pin to start, and when you do, it will be pinned to start. When you hit back, you will be finding the application being pinned on your screen. Start. And apart from that, we can add application to desktop as well for quick access. We can look out for start option once again, search for the specific application. After that, we can right click on it, for example Adobe, and go to the option for open file location, and there you can right click on the apps shortcut, right click on it, select the option called add to shortcut, go ahead and look out for the option called add to shortcut, and create a shortcut. Click on this option called create shortcut and create shortcut for that specific application, and now the app appears on your desktop. Another thing we can do is we can pin the application to taskbar. So find your specific application and right click on it, select the option called pin to taskbar, and the app will stay in the bottom of your screen for quick access. Also, we can drag and drop, which is the fastest way. Go to start and find that application, and you can head over and drag and drop it and copy it, and that should create up a shortcut for your application, and you can easily access it. And that's it everybody. Those are probably some of the methods you can follow up to add the applications to home screen in Windows. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more.